Nein. Nein. See? Oh, God. It took me 1 hour to build this house of cards, and now it gets down with just one blow of wind. But Katy, I want to tell you that I wanted to perform for you right now my version of your song, but now that the house of cards is gone, it's not so good anymore. But I'm gonna do it anyway. So here it is. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under scream, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Make him go, oh, oh, oh. Make him go, oh, oh, oh. Make him go, oh, oh, ooh. I wanna be in your video. Please take me. Please take me. 'Cause I'm a student of, I'm studying jazz and rock and in Freiburg in Germany, at the Jazz and Rock Schule. And I can sing, I can dance, I can be funny, and if you choose me, you'll have fun in your video. Do it! Choose me! Choose me! Choose me! Choose me! Choose me! I'm sorry. Oh, der Plan ist nicht aufgegangen.